everyone. As far as you see in the first half of the video, tore down the transmission. Today's plan is install one of these eBay LSD units. So how these work, this is your open differential. These are your spider gears. So as soon as you put this in and install it, it pushes against the spider gears, it locks them into place, and converts it into LSD. This is a limited slip, so it doesn't lock all the time, but when you need it, it'll lock. And the whole plan for this transmission, either keep it as a backup or we'll do a raffle. I don't know, $20 buy-in, 40-50 spots. Put it on yet, but we'll post it up. All right, let me get to this, and then as far as going step by step, I don't think I'm gonna do step by step because it's pretty simple. Nice little roll pin. Honda made it easy to take that pin out. There's literally a hole on the other side of the diff that you can stick a Allen wrench or whatever you want to punch it out with. Then that's out. These come with these tabs here. Don't remove until you have it inside of here, or else the springs inside and everything will shoot out and it'll be harder to install it. Whatever. I guess we'll do it this way. Okay, so it's binding up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and grind down this a little bit. This spider gear and also the bottom one, just so it's pretty level. And there's shims inside. Inside of there, so make sure you remember where those shims go. Alright, got this stupid thing in. I didn't want to record putting it in because it would have been just like beep, 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 beep. A whole bunch of cussing. So that's in. Now I just gotta throw it back together. Pretty much in. All the synchros look good. Reverse gears in. Just gotta throw the case on and it's gooch. Alright, that's it. Got the case on. I did notice one of the detent ball, check ball wasn't in there. So I'm gonna have to find one out of the other transmissions we got in the back. And that's all done, ready to go. Probably paint it, make it look all pretty. Poster up for a raffle. That's it, guys. Have a good one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then as well as follow us on Instagram. Chop Shop Bullies. All right, thanks. Bye.